subjugation in December 1963.
我们两国在座的有我们党的全国主席女士跟我们见过了，还有
the National UDA Party. In Kiswahili, we say karibu sana.
我们一定能够进一步促进我们两国之间的友谊与合作。
Our two countries will birth a similar towards comprehensive strategic cooperative partnership between our two countries in full recognition that we provide the necessary President Dr. William Ruto, who you will be meeting later this morning, to sincerely extend our heartfelt appreciation for visiting our humble home, the UDA Party in our great nation of Kenya. It's not enough to take a small minute to introduce to you this party rank, which is the equivalent of the standing committee in CDC.
尊敬的习主席，非常欢迎您来到联合民主同盟的总部。我也想简单的介绍一下我们今天参会的主要的成员。
The governors of the Republic of Kenya, the National Organizing Secretary, is Honorable Sawai. Then we also have chairman of some of our bodies, including our committee on ideas.
首先代表多总统，您会见到多总统和整个全体的党员，非常感谢您能够出席。
Unless we have a clear understanding of our history and roads we are troubled. Kenya and Africa knows too well that that history and the road is one we share. That China's infrastructure footprint is the most visible change in Africa's development since independence.
殖民主义有一个遗毒，那就是制造分裂，包括在政治上的分裂，这是不利于全球的和平稳定和经济发展的。与之相反的是，中国在基础设施方面做出了巨大的贡献，能够帮助非洲和发展中国家实现互联互通。可以说，中国在帮助非洲进行基础设施建设方面所取得的成就是非。
希望将来您还能够再次来到我们讲座。
Boss.